Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from America's BodyCam. All right, and the title of the video is what happens when you get caught stealing from Publix. Okay, let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about. Let's see.
On July 16th, 2024, City of Miami police officers were dispatched to a Publix in reference to two females stealing from the store. The females were seen on video surveillance placing items from the cosmetics section and concealing them in a black bag. The females then left the store, exiting through all points of sale with no regard to pay for the items they had just stolen.
How are you guys?
I'm not good. I just had an incident in the store.
What happened?
You see this right here? As I'm in there paying for the stuff, she said, you didn't swipe your cup. And I didn't. So she told me, if she would have said, oh, you didn't swipe your cup, if it's water, if it's soda, you got to pay. No problem. Oh, that is soda in your cup. Where my thing at? I just showed the lady. Look.
So what else did you guys not pay for?
That's it. I got my receipt. I just paid for all this. So you can check my bag.
Everything. How about you, man?
I paid for the water. And hold on, officer.
No, one second.
Oh, okay.
Anything you didn't pay for?
I paid for myself.
You pay for your stuff? How about you? You pay for your stuff? You didn't buy anything?
You want my receipt? Where's the manager at? I don't have, you want my bag? This one?
Is this yours?
Me?
I have went to another Publix of British and I paid for my dinner.
They went to the Publix. I went downtown to take.
Yo, honestly, America's BodyCam, y'all gotta get together with y'all editing team, because if you're gonna cover up to shield identity and stuff like that, it should be done all the way throughout. Like, I've already seen glimpses of everything. First you had the other lady blurred out in the beginning, and then it clipped off. And then you got this lady with the baby or whatever. We've already seen that. We've already seen the baby. So y'all gotta tighten up with what y'all got going on over there. You gotta get together with your editing team. You feel me? Because if you're gonna hide identity, it has to be hidden. If you're gonna do it, not half-ass do it.
Oh, so you were putting in her bag?
Me?
You were putting in her bag, which is that bag.
Lila, girl.
She had it set up on the curl pops up right here. Let's see right here.
And you watching her as she's doing it.
All three of them are.
And it was right in front of you.
And me?
Yeah, right in front of you.
I can't tell nobody what to do and not to do, sir. I just got mad because she accused me that this was soda, and I just went off right there because it's not soda.
Yeah, but you watching her put stuff in her bag right in front of you while you
I'm
watch.
on the cart. I'm not watching nothing. I didn't steal nothing.
All right.
Huh? What do you want to do? You want to take the items back?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want them in the store anymore, so trespass, whatever.
Okay.
Whatever it may
What do
be.
you want to do?
You want to get the items back? Okay. So bring it back.
Okay.
Yeah. So what items did you pay for that's in here?
You can put it in on my cart. My receipt? Oh.
Where's the receipt for all this stuff that's in here?
We'll ask her about that because I believe that's her bag. So,
Well, I mean, they're both complicit in this because she's putting stuff in her bag.
can you please get the number? 804.
Me? No, I live in Hialeah. I only came because I went to the I had an appointment.
Is this your correct? Okay, one second, let me get it. Yeah, keep it.
What do you want to be? You want to trespass or you want to prosecute?
You're on the phone with Jeff? Prosecuted or trespass?
Listen, folks, you guys need to make a decision. We're not going to just come here and just trespass somebody just so you can get some stuff.
Okay, prosecuted then. Yeah.
You know, I mean,
Okay, I don't know.
I need a receipt for
ring him
the total amount of all this. That was it though?
Huh?
That was all of it? This was everything that was in the bag?
Confirmed, yes.
Okay, so go scan them.
Yeah.
We're getting their info and then we'll go from there.
all right, let's take care of business. She's not released yet, but she can hold the date.
My car.
We're making an arrest. Why are these people on the phone?
Yeah, I like what LT said there a little while ago, you know, because a lot of times you see in these, you know, when people are stealing and stuff like that, a lot of times you see that they don't want to prosecute like smaller stores and stuff. They just want the stuff back. And it's like, come on, we're here to, you better prosecute, man. Pretty much that's what he's trying to tell you. You know, tighten up, man. Listen, we ain't come here to just, come on. Y'all should have had y'all own people try and get stuff back or just take the loss. Take the loss. It is what it is. But we here to handle business. If y'all stuff got stolen and y'all want it locked up and stuff like that, we can handle it accordingly. But if we come all the way over here and you just perfectly fine with just getting the stuff back, you pretty much wasting the police time.
I mean, what's the front? You're able to drive?
I got a call in red.
Yeah. You got their info?
Say it again?
You got their info?
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you.
This honestly is a clusterfuck by the police. Honestly, they are not organized whatsoever.
Whoever pregnant, he's gentle because I'm pregnant. He's like, you hurt my stomach.
I'm not hurting you.
No, I'm saying you pinching the side of my stomach.
Let me get your phone. Let me get your phone.
Wait, let me give it to her.
Okay, but let me get it.
Let me give it to her.
You don't understand?
Here, Mom.
Relax.
Let me get your
I
phone.
need my phone for it.
Relax.
You're pregnant, right? You're not acting like it.
Okay, well, I got
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
can tell me that, but I still gotta check, okay?
Put your hands like you're gonna pray because it's not gonna hurt you.
You're pregnant. You kept putting me to the back, putting me to the front.
No, we're not. Everybody is handcuffed in the back.
Your grandma?
Wait, where's my AirPods? My AirPods. You could give it to Mama for me?
I come to my car. Watch your hand. I agree. need their.
She said, she's saying that all the stuff in the buggy ain't paid for.
Like
What stuff?
We might have to like. It's a little harder to kind of sift through it.
Go.
I need to go through the seats and actually go.
Go through it.
And the other girl had. So
What do you mean?
one of the girls had one of their receipts on the phone because you can email it. The other one had it physical, so it was just like so many little like. So I'm not sure if every single.
But how much?
Yeah.
But what's in bags?
That's what I'm saying. Like to go.
The security guard was right there. I came in here with this. I got the water. I had this, the jelly, and that. No, he already checked. Everything else is in bag. I got 2 juicy juices, the bread. This was free with the from back there.
The receipt for when you pay on the self-checkout?
What she did with it?
Because that's on her phone.
Just wait here with him.
Okay, no,
I can pull the receipts and stuff like that.
no problem. You can go put it
Hills, you have your info?
and get
Or
the
no?
security guard that's right there.
All right. So who can I put for the report?
You can.
I'll go ask him.
What's your name?
Kevin Lopez.
What's your date of birth? Hey, what's a good phone number, a store phone number, or whatever phone number you have?
Hush. Let me get you
That might not
some.
be the source.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I'm gonna put the address for the store, okay?
Yeah, that's all. Sorry.
The charges against both females, Tylia Lee and Ashariah Jackson, include petty theft. Surveillance footage captured them working together in the store. One concealed items in a personal bag while the other assisted. They exited the store without paying, with the stolen items totaling $103. The store manager provided evidence, and both were charged with a misdemeanor under Florida law. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more police body cam footage, make sure to subscribe for future updates.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.